My question is to do with the worldview image of Islam, and I grew up in the West where I believed everything the media taught me about Islam, you know, that it was a religion of extremism, terrorism and suicide bombers, until I read the Quran and I started asking questions. The Quran answered all my questions.
Louder.
And at that point I started turning the camera towards myself and correcting myself, and I ended up greatly benefiting from Islam. So why does it seem that the majority aren't really bothered about defending Islam by owning and implementing and demonstrating the message of the Quran to get rid of all these misconceptions?
Unfortunately, some of the Muslims are the worst advertisement for Islam. The portrait that comes off from the Muslim world of a Muslim is not very attractive. If you look at the leadership in the Muslim world, there are very few Muslim leaders who we look up to, and because we just do not have enough intellectual firepower amongst the Muslims to project a point of view, so we get defined by some of the worst elements in the Muslim world, and we have not been successful in countering this image. So that's one of the reasons. But Islam, like all religions, as we are told in the Quran that every people was sent a message, a messenger of God. All human communities were sent a message. And we believe that because of the Quran, the holy book, we have a message directly revealed to our Prophet, so it's unadulterated. It's not mixed, there's no human interference in the Quran, and so we believe that it is the greatest book of guidance. So unfortunately, we have not been able to portray the real image of Islam in the West, and there is no doubt there is a lobby, small lobby in the West, which wants to distort the Islamic image, which wants to, and I think specifically the Zionist lobby, it's very powerful, and because of the injustice done against the Palestinians, they want to portray the Palestinians as subhuman, these Muslims, terrorists, in order to occupy their land and expel them and ethnically cleanse them. This powerful lobby then leaves no opportunity to distort the image of Islam, and we unfortunately do not have the intellectual firepower to counter it.